Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Wasim Khan Sujon and today I'm going to introduce you to something amazing, ChatGPT. What exactly is ChatGPT? It's an AI tool created by OpenAI that can converse with you and generate human-like responses to your questions.
At its core, ChatGPT is a chatbot. But it's far more than that. It's when anyone can use ChatGPT. Students, professionals, creatives, business owners.
You can visit OpenAI's website or use apps integrated with ChatGPT. Once logged in, you'll see a clean interface with a chat box.
Much can help with writing, answering questions, and much more.
Just type your question, and ChatGPT replies in seconds. Let's see it in action. Type, "What is AI?" And watch ChatGPT provide a clear, easy-to-understand response. Need quick information? ChatGPT is perfect for everyday questions. Stuck on writing? ChatGPT can help you with essays, blog posts, and even creative writing. Thanks for watching, and until next time. The Zampram Broadswear.
Take care and happy chatting.